What's going on, everybody? Carlos here once again from PremierReviewer 2026. Should I do a desk tour? I don't know, but for right now, what you are going to get is you're going to get my actual productivity section, and that is all done by Neewer. This is a Neewer mic arm. I'm not sure the model. It doesn't matter. Links to everything I talk about will be in the description of the video, so make sure you check that out for the latest and greatest. Do you need everything I have here? No. How I have it is how I figured out what best works for me, and that is what I'm bringing you guys. So when it comes to an all-in-one desk setup, as far as productivity comes, this multi-function mic arm has really made it easy for me to produce high quality videos with good sound. Now, that being said, let's talk about some of the equipment I've been using. So we'll get to the camera, because a lot of people want to know what kind of camera I'm using. I am using a Sony a7C. Yes, in 2026, that Sony a7C is still a phenomenal camera when it comes to the overall studio environment. I think it shoots high quality video. Yes, it's 8-bit, but do you see, I'm not looking for the most dynamic range. It's a simple shot. It has unlimited recording, doesn't overheat on me, and that is connected to my Shogun, I believe. It's such an old monitor, one of the first high quality 4K monitors that Atomos created, and I had it sitting around. I plugged it in and it has been working for me ever since. So that is connected via HDMI to micro HDMI, and it gives me a great way to see I have it hooked up so that I can reference. It's connected via a little magic clamp arm, simple, effective, and that is all now audio based. I am routing from the Zoom PodTrak P4 Next, which I did a video about, but now I have it clamped up with another magic arm and connected because I have one of these tablet holders and it fits perfect, stays put. I have 3 cables connected. One, I have my headphones. The second, I have it connected via 3.5 directly to my camera, so that is what you're hearing this audio come from. I am using the Procaster Pro, and it is one of my favorite microphones of all time, and a low pro boom arm from FIFINE, and that is everything from audio to visuals. What I'm using overhead, I have a 18-inch LED panel from a Neewer. It's set to about 3%. I am shooting at f1.8 on my PodTrak 16mm lens. I think it's phenomenal for visually for what I'm doing, and yeah, I think that this lends itself to be high quality visual, high quality audio, all done with just a simple press of a button. I can have redundancy when it comes to audio backup. I can have redundancy when it comes to visuals. I can easily hit record on my monitor, and yeah, I can get the best of both worlds. So this is the setup. I also have a boom arm for when I'm not using this microphone. I love doing different audio comparisons, and I probably will do an audio comparison of what it sounds like with my MKE 600 wirelessly connected to the camera, using one of my RØDE Gen 1 RØDE wireless mic packs. And yeah, it's just one of those things that once you have everything connected, now it's, do I want to use a podcast microphone, or do I want to use an overhead Sennheiser MKE 600, and that is what is connected above. and you have different sounds. But because I'm in a very open space, I think this format sounds really good because you get the clarity of my voice, you get the high quality audio, and you don't get so much of the room noise. So that is pretty much all the equipment I have. I will leave links to everything. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. If you want me to do a complete tour of my desk setup, let me know. I would love to connect with you guys and see what you guys think, and let me know what your setups look like, because I think it is I love watching, you know, all-in-one desk setups, and it really inspires me. So hopefully this video inspires you, and if it did, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Oh, I'm also rocking these Sony headphones, which, you know, custom ear plates, blue. As you see, I have a blue and purple kind of theme going on, and yeah, it's about the vibe. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Later.